Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how you can convert from one coin to another coin on Binance. On Binance, if you want to place a trade, there will be a charges attached to it. Okay, maybe when you stick a trade with 10 USD, like 4 or 5 cents will be removed. Okay, but when you convert from one coin to another coin, there will be no charges. It will be totally free. Before I quickly go into this, I would like to beg you as a new viewers to subscribe to my channel and as well like my video. And now if you are returning viewers, welcome back to my channel and do well to like my video. So let's quickly go into that. So all you just need to do is just make sure you have a verified Binance account and take this button and go to convert. You can see it here. This is what we call convert. Okay, click on it. This gives us access to convert from one coin to another. Okay, now I want to convert from USDT to like BNB. Okay, you can see this little arrow here where there is high fee. Click on it and choose your currency. Okay, so let's see what will be. I need to first select where my fund is. Okay, now I'm picking USD and converting to BNB. You cannot see it here, right? Okay, so what is in my funding wallet is 11.3238. I'm going to convert it now. So beneath here, you see this BNB, you see it equivalent. 11.3 USD, you see it equivalent here, 0.05. Okay, so if I convert it to BNB now, the more BNB rises, the more my coin increased. Okay, you can now see. Let's do the conversion here. Convert. So it will show you a preview from here. Trade confirmed. Conversion successful. You can now see the charges is 0. So everything here is totally free. Okay, everything here is totally free. Okay, this is very simple and easy. So if you do go through the conversion, there will be no charges attached to it. But if you place a trade direct, there will be charges attached to it. Okay, so it's better you convert from one coin to another in order for you to just escape those charges. Okay, but if you are trading on BNB, yeah, the charges is friendly, just very little. But any other coin, the charges is a bit high. So I advise you convert from one particular coin to another coin. Like now, if I want to sell this my BNB now, I don't need to press sell. Okay, so see my next